there's rest for your weary soul, and time to heal, yet still you fight with what you're told, and hold on to your scars and wounds and paths of old. And I said, ooh, what would you do if you could lose all your burdens? Yeah. And I said, ooh, my words are few, but I love you. Those words, please hear them. Yeah. Just pretend, just an awful dream, but please don't let your heart grow dead. For God restores it, brings hope and grace and truth and life. And I said, ooh, what would you do if you could lose all your burdens? Yeah. And I said, ooh, my words are few, but I love you. Those words, please hear them. Yeah. Grace is the reason why we're both alive, so we'll pour out grace until we die.
Oh, you got stars, stars in your eyes. I know it from the way you make me feel so alive. Like I'm up on a mountainside, gazing at the night sky, but I'm just looking at the stars in your eyes. Time I see it, takes me by surprise. You're perfect light, you're shining on me. You're like a dream sequence, you're all up in my feelings. I see your picture, something triggers. Now you're stuck inside my head. Get out of my head, please. Get out of my head, please. Oh, oh, oh. Yeah, whenever I see you, and whenever I see you, my heart beats like crazy. Yeah, 'cause you got stars, stars in your eyes. I know it from the way you make me feel so alive. Like I'm up on a mountainside, gazing at the supernova, a beautiful explosion. I might get burned if I get close, but I'm down to hold you. You send me to outer space, and I'm counting constellations. Our planets collide, you make midnight look like sunrise. You do. Get out of my head, please. Get out of my head, please. Oh, oh, oh. And whenever I see you, my universe it freezes. My heart rate increases. It's got stars, stars in your eyes. I know it from the way you make me feel so alive. Like I'm up, up, up on a mountainside, gazing at the night sky, but I'm just looking at the stars in your eyes. The stars in your eyes. Oh, the stars in your eyes. Beautiful and so bright. All the stars in your eyes. Yeah, you got stars, stars in your eyes. I know it from the way you make me feel inside. Like I'm up, up, up on a mountainside, gazing at the night sky, but I'm just looking at the stars in your eyes. Yeah. Oh, the stars in your eyes. It's beautiful and so bright. Yeah. All the stars in your eyes. Oh, you light up the night.
If I'm honest, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just wandering the ruins, looking for a place to start. If I'm honest, I don't know who I am. All I see is a man who's waiting for a wake-up call. So won't you touch this heart that doesn't have a song to sing, and sing it to me, and sing it to me. Open up my mind that cannot find a melody, and sing it to me, sing it to me. Keep singing. Oh, 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 oh. If I'm honest, I wish I was better at everything I have ever tried and failed to be. I wear every letdown, I show every scar, and I found that hope can only carry you so far. So won't you touch this heart that doesn't have a song to sing, and sing it to me, and sing it to me. Won't you touch this heart that doesn't have a song to sing and sing it to me?